Hello, I am R. Padma Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to discuss about Ramberg et OMT. OMT stands for Object Modeling Technique and it was presented by Jim Ramberg and his co-workers. It describes a method for analysis, design, implementation of a system using object-oriented technique. OMT is a fast initiative approach for identifying and modeling all objects making up a system. In this method, classes, attributes, methods, inheritance, and association also can be expressed easily. Object modeling technique consists of 4 phases. They are analysis, system design, object design, and implementation. In the analysis phase, we will get the objects and dynamic and functional model as a result. In the system design, we will get the structure of the basic architecture of the system with high-level strategy decisions as a result. In object design, we will get the design document as a result that consists of object, static, dynamic and functional models. In the implementation phase, we use the reusable and robust coding to implement the project. OMT modeling is divided into 3 parts. They are object model, dynamic model and functional model. Object model is represented graphically with an object diagram. This is an example of object diagram that consists of classes, attributes and association. Association is nothing but the relationship between the classes. OMT dynamic model is represented by the state transition diagram. It consists of states, transitions, events and actions. This is an example of state transition diagram. Here, rounded rectangles represents the states and arrows represents the transitions. OMT functional model is represented by the data flow diagram. Data flow diagram consists of these 4 symbols: oval, open-ended rectangle, arrow and the rectangle. This is an example of data flow diagram. Thank you.